mga B, let me share with you our Singapore gala. Tara, gala tayo. From Bangkok, we flew straight to Changi Airport and syempre, unang stop agad, the world-famous Jewel Rain Vortex. Ito talaga yung iconic attraction sa loob ng airport. The largest indoor waterfall in the world. As in the airport pa lang, pang-IG na agad ang labanan. We took photos, walk around the mall area, and enjoyed the cool atmosphere. Welcome to Singapore na talaga. Kinabukasan, maaga kaming nagpunta sa Fort Canning Park. Dito makikita ang sikat na tree tunnel. Instagram favorite ng lahat ng tourists. May pila lang talaga mga B, pero worth it. Kasi ang ganda ng shot. From the spiral staircase going down, tapos yung giant tree canopy sa taas. Parang scene ng fairy tale sa K-drama. After our Fort Canning adventure, nagpunta kami sa Chinatown. Syempre, hindi ko palalampasin to. Ang favorite kong Nishwe ice cream. Perfect talaga to pampahappy kahit nasaan ka pa. Then, we paid respect and visited the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple, one of the most beautiful temples dito sa Singapore. Ang peaceful sa loob, perfect place to pause, pray, and give thanks. At kung nagutom na nga kami, diretso kami sa legendary hawker stall. Ito ang first hawker stall in the world to be awarded a Michelin star.
And one char siu noodle.
They offer flavorful and affordable dishes. Imagine Michelin star food pero pang budget traveler. Located siya inside the Chinatown Complex Food Center. Alam niyo ba na ang Chinatown Food Center na ito ay mayroong over 200 food stalls? Kaya mga happy ka talaga sa dami ng food options.
Ang lakas mo kumain din talaga.
Kinagabihan, we headed to Marina Bay Sands. Ang galing ng structure niya, parang cruise ship na nakapatong sa 3 towers. We stayed until evening para mapanood ang Spectral Light and Water Show. Free show siya right in front of Marina Bay Sands with fountains, lights, lasers, and music. Breathtaking yung buong experience, lalo na with the skyline behind it. At yun ang nga higit sa lahat, free of charge. Pagkatapos ng water show, naglakad kami papuntang Gardens by the Bay for another magical moment. Yung Garden Rhapsody Light Show. Ito yung light show sa Super Tree Grove, giant lit up trees dancing to the music, parang enchanted forest na futuristic, perfect way to end the night.
So pick a spot, grab your cameras, and enjoy the show.
Next day, brunch kami sa City Mall located in Little India na malapit sa hotel namin. Dito ko natikman ang pinakamasarap na laksa ever. Sa restaurant na ito, ang eat, creamy, spicy, at flavorful. Laksa dream come true talaga. After brunch naman, we headed straight to Merlion Park. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng skip ang Singapore's most iconic symbol. Picture-picture muna with the skyline, marina, and the famous Merlion statue. Then, we went to Sentosa Island, the fun and entertainment zone of Singapore. Ito palang Sentosa ay dating military base during the colonial era. Ngayon, isa na siyang major tourist destination, home to beaches, attractions, hotels, resorts, and Universal Studios. You can move around Sentosa using their express monorail for just 4 Singapore dollars. And again, GCash and debit cards work perfectly fine. Tap to ride everywhere. May 4 stations ang monorail: Harbourfront, Waterfront, Imbiah, at Beach Station. Pero dahil curious kami sa itsura ng mga dagat nila, una kaming bumaba sa Beach Station. At nandito rin ang Palawan Beach. After beach hopping, dumaan kami sa Universal Studios, where we entered the Harry Potter Visions of Magic. And wow mga B, ang ganda. Parang lumakad ka talaga sa Wizarding World.
Maghanap ako na pwede pa sa lubong kay Bunso.
After Sentosa, bumalik na kami sa Little India for dinner. Dito namin natikman ang best tasting Indian food na natry namin so far. Super rich ng flavors. Alam mo talagang ang dami ng spices. Ang sarap na at ang ganda pa ng serving. So ayan mga B ang ating Singapore Gala. Packed with culture, food, attractions, and magical night shows. And sa next vlog natin, pag-usapan natin ang experience namin pagpunta ng Malaysia from Singapore. Yun lang mga B. Bye-bye!